Welcome to Hampstead Heath, one of London's most beautiful and peaceful green spaces. It's the kind of place that makes you forget you're still in the city. We started our day here after cycling over from East London. It took about an hour, but we didn't mind. We're trying to make the most of the sunshine without spending much, and honestly, the ride was part of the fun. The park's got a few cafes and spots to grab a bite, and of course, the famous swimming ponds if you're feeling brave enough to jump in. Come along with us as we explore Hampstead Heath. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Today we are in Hampstead Heath here in London because it is sunny. I think this is my favorite park in all of London. So yeah, we're gonna spend some time here at the park and then we'll head to the town center a little bit later and show you guys around. All right, well, Guy is already hungry, so we're gonna give him his food. We made little wraps for him, bite size or kid size, because he's a child. I'm an adult, so I'm gonna eat off a plate, my little lunchbox. It's a little messy, but I made homemade tzatziki at home. Greek yogurt, dill, cucumber, salt, and then halloumi. I cut up some cucumber and then sauteed some bell peppers and onion. So this is my little lunchbox, and Guy's basically having the same thing, but in a wrap. On our way here, we walked past this gelato spot with a long line, and Guy wants to go check it out, so we're back here. The line still looks a little bit long, but we have time, so I think we're still gonna have some gelato. This is the spot. It's called O'Donnell's Gelato, and the line goes somewhere back there. All right, to the back of the line we go.
Sunset sinking low in the sky.
One coffee.
All right, Guy got pistachio and coffee.
Yep.
And I got pistachio and Madagascar vanilla. And honestly, it looks really good. Although it's hard to taste while I'm holding the camera, so I'll just go like this.
Want me to feed you?
Oh, who's gonna feed me? A little bit of pistachio. That is good. Hey.
That's good. I wish I got vanilla.
Is the vanilla good?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna have some vanilla. You can never go wrong with vanilla. I know it's so like plain and simple, but vanilla is just like really yummy to me. I'm really happy with the flavors I got. So check out O'Donnell's Gelato here in Hampstead. So good.
So there's also a bunch of different cute looking shops in Hampstead, load of cafes, everyone's out just kind of enjoying the sun, drinking a coffee. There's also loads of pubs wherever you go. So as us Brits love to do, a lot of people are just out drinking in the pubs. And it's a very nice atmosphere overall in Hampstead, especially when the sun is out. And yeah, so Hampstead is known to be like the most expensive area in London, or one of the most expensive areas in London, where a lot of rich people live close to the park. But yeah, the town itself isn't too expensive. It's kind of similar prices to the rest of London, so the cafes, the pubs, the shops, everything like that. It's not too bad, so it's still quite nice to walk around and see kind of the area.
Nobody saw us silently floating out at some hotel in rural Wyoming. Nobody saw us. secretly.
All right, guys, our time in Hampstead has come to an end. It was so much fun while the sun was out. We checked out the park, we rode our bikes, had some ice cream. Hopefully this video gives you maybe an idea of what you can do on a sunny day here in London.
Without spending too much.
Without spending too much. So yeah, hopefully you had fun coming along with us, and we will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Peace.